Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing very well. As you know, guys, we have finished 4.1, which is food chain and food web. So I made the worksheet for checking your understanding. Here are some questions. I will give you time before telling you the answer. So according to the question, the time will be changed, of course. So let's check your understanding. Let's start. Bismillah. Number one, what's a food chain? You have 10 seconds. Bravo! Food chain is a diagram that shows the animals eat plants and other animals to get energy. That's it. Number two, what's a food web? You have 10 seconds. Great. Food web is like the food chain, but like combination of the food chains. Like food web is linking some food chains. So let's go ahead. What's the difference between producer and consumer? You have 15 seconds. Well done. Producer is the living thing that make its own food and give energy for the others. But consumer is any living thing that must eat other organisms to get energy. So, so let's go ahead. Number four, what are the components of the food chain? It means what should we have in a food chain? Yeah, let's start. You have 10 seconds. Great. We must have at least a producer and a consumer. So for each food chain, without at least a producer and a consumer, there is no food chain. Be careful. So let's go ahead. So make a food chain with three links. So that's easy. It means three links. You know it. Okay, I will give it 10 seconds. Well done. So the grass will be eaten by the zebra. The zebra will be eaten by the lion. That's three linked food chain. Grass to lion to zebra for the lion. Then let's go ahead. What is the difference between a herbivore and a carnivore? So you have 15 seconds. Well done. A herbivore is an animal that eats only plants, but carnivore is the animal that eats only other animals, or we can say only meat. The difference is that only plant and only meat. Which one is only plant? Herbivore. Which one is only meat? Carnivore. Let's go ahead. So number seven is going to be A and B. So A, what happens to the amount of energy as it transferred through the food chain? What happened to the amount of energy? You have 5 seconds. Well done. The amount of energy during transferring will decrease. After each step, its steps will be decreased. For example, from the grass to the zebra to the lion, each time the amount of energy will be decreased. Let's see what's B. Say, why does it happen? Why means why the amount of energy will be decreased every time after each steps. Let's see. You have 20 seconds. Bravo. Because some energy will be used by the animal to use for their life to stay alive. Some energy will be transferred to the surround as heat, and some energy will be transferred to the next animal. It means some will be used to stay alive, some to around as heat. Only some will be transferred. That's why we say the amount of energy will be decreased. This for the next animal, same thing happen. For the next same thing happen. So it will get less and less and less. So let's go ahead. What's the difference between food chain and food web? Not their definition, their difference. 10 seconds. Great. So a food web is more realistic and accurate way to show how energy transferred between living things. So the last question is, where does energy in a food chain or where does the energy in a food chain or a food web comes from? Okay, come from. So let's see. You have, it's only one name. You have 5 seconds. So bravo. The source of energy for all the food chain and the food webs is the sun. So that was today's lesson. I hope you understand everything and I hope you knew everything. Best wishes for you.